Hey guys, it's Iggy. Welcome back. Today I'm going to show you guys this easy, simple eye look using our brand new ICY BETCH palettes. So if you guys want to stay tuned to see how I did it, keep watching. This is our brand new ICY BETCH palette, and guys, this palette is so stunning. It is so pretty, and I'm obsessed with the blue recently, and this couldn't have come at a better time. I was so excited to get my hands on this palette. In this palette, you get 9 gorgeous, amazing shades in here, plus a highlighter for only $24. Something as gorgeous and as pigmented as these shadows are for $24 is a major steal. All right, so enough chit chat, let's go ahead and get started. Starting off with that first shade on the top right corner here is the shade Veronica. It's this white matte shade. I'm just gonna take that shade and place this underneath my brow bone for a lifted brow effect. Next shade I'm going in with is Heather here. I'm just gonna take that and use this as my transition. So I'm gonna place that into the crease and then really buff that out. To clean up the eye look a little bit on the lids, I'm gonna go back in with that same shade I used the first time, which is Veronica, and I'm just gonna place that on my eyelid. Taking this bottom shade called Georgina, I'm just gonna take that and place that into the crease and darken it up a bit. Taking that shade Blair here, I'm just gonna create a wing liner with that, and yeah. Going back in with that same shade I used earlier, Georgina, I'm just going to take that and place that along the lower lash line. Now to complete this eye look, I'm going to go in with a few light coats of our Lights Camera Lashes 4-in-1 Mascara and our Tarteist Pro cruelty-free lashes in the style Wifey. Great, so now that lashes and mascara are popped on, we can go ahead and complete this look with one of my favorite lip glosses. This is our H2O gloss in the shade Sundress. I almost forgot, actually, gloss is not the last stop, highlighter is. I'm going in with the palette again using that shade Regina. This is the highlighter, it's so pretty. And we're just gonna pop this on the highest point of my cheekbones. Alright guys, and that completes today's tutorial on this eye look using the new ICY BETCH palettes. If you guys want to try this palette out yourselves, I will leave a link down below in the description box. And yeah, thank you guys so much again for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye guys.